Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and convenient way to add any file from your Google Drive directly to your mobile home screen. This trick will help you quickly access important files without opening the app each time. Let's dive in. Open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Tap on the Files icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the folder you want to rename. After that, tap on the three vertical dots next to the folder's name to open the Options menu. Following this, select the option labeled Add to Home Screen. Finally, confirm the action by click on ADD. Then the file shortcut will appear on your home screen for quick access. That's it. Now you can open your important files right from your home screen anytime you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.